So we have successfully installed Windows 10. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10. I'm having a portable 16 GB 2.0 pen drive and a HP EliteBook 8570p. So we are going to install Windows 10, so stay tuned till the end video. So I have two side ports. So I mostly prefer installing Windows on the left port. So I'm just going to insert my USB pen drive, and always make sure your PC is turned off before. So I'm going to power on my EliteBook. Immediately after powering on, I'm going to press F9. I'm going to press F9. It's going to load us to the Windows setup. So it takes some minutes, so you have to be patient. It's reading the USB drive, so you have to be patient as it loads.
Plug me in, let's start the show. Cables hum, they start to glow. Every wire knows its place. Step by step we climb the line. Every spark a perfect sign. Electric pulse keeps us alive. Data streams in perfect flow. Through the circuits we all know. Silent hums become a song. Step by step we climb the line. Every spark a Data streams in perfect flow through the circuits we all know. Silent hums become a song. Step by step we climb the line. Every spark a perfect sign. Electric pulse keeps us alive. Fingers tap the keys just